The current Toyota Corolla tops our small sedan ratings because it's reliable and fuel efficient. But wouldn't it be nice if the Corolla were also a bit more interesting? Well, for 2020, Toyota has given the Corolla sedan a drastic upgrade with a dramatic new look, a promise of better driving dynamics, and improved infotainment. There's also a new Corolla hybrid that's expected to get more than 50 miles per gallon combined. Inside, the driver sits lower and farther back, but gets better visibility thanks to slimmed-down windshield pillars and side-view mirrors that have been mounted lower. Nearly all Corollas will get Apple Carplay and Amazon Alexa compatibility, but no Android Auto yet though. The base trims will get the same 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine found in the old Corolla, but it now gets 139 horsepower. The SE and XSE trims will get 169 horsepower 2-liter four-cylinder. The hybrid has the same drivetrain as the Prius, but without the Prius's unique looks. Now that's all good news, but we're especially glad to hear that Toyota claims the new Corolla sedan will handle better than its predecessor too. We hope it handles a lot like the sprightly Corolla hatchback we tested, and we're looking forward to buying and testing the new sedan too. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, and lane centering all come standard. Both the Corolla sedan and hybrid will be on sale in spring of 2019. For more about compact sedans and hybrids, head over to consumerreports.org.